guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
You know, what a shame, what is too much story. It's good for this life to stay real. Be yourself. Never use the name of God or gods in vain. If someone could say there is no power in the sea, the gods don't exist, there is no power in the sea, convince people in a wrong way to be throwing the ojuju inside the sea. At the end, that person will now went to the ocean. My own kingdom. Yeah. I am the goddess. Princess Obanamen, the queen mother.
Hey, wait, my people. Who send the Iyore may go river? Hey. Who send na may go river? Anyway, my brothers and sisters, una know say Iyore go river, go pray for im members. She still go pray for herself. Many people don't come out, come say, how you go river? What you go do for them? Now no say we now with the go river because now we go say one go put something for river. They'll say go put like sweet or this something when the sweet go put on for river to pray. So Princess Obanamen don't come out. Say Iyore don't go her own house because now no say she na mommy. People where they go where they go the river, go they put something for river. She no hide wetin she dey serve. So many people they talk say Iyore na juju person, but she dey use another thing till they cover. We know me, I don't know. Now wetin we dey see for social media today. Then go know say many people today they go say them be this one. Next tomorrow they go say them be the other one. So Iyore talking for her video say she just dey for live video. Something just tell her say go river, go bath, go pray. Now she go. Many people say na mommy water call for them. My brothers and sisters, me I don't know. I don't say Iyore because of wetin she do. When she drive her mat go where she not supposed drive and go. Many people not they happy for that thing. Why you not go house? May go do what he's supposed to do. Maybe like say she go everything for day okay. But she never go. E no easy, my brothers and sisters. Wetin Princess Obanamen talk for the video no be small thing. I go put the full video, una go listen. Una still leave una opinion. Una know say because Iyore go now, she can't carry a nika. Una know say nika for our people, for our side. Now people where don't buy all this people where don't go where they don't they don't do their whole life, they can't go. So they use them till they pray. So Iyore carry go river. She go back, she still carry the enika follow body. You know say anywhere where she dey carry, she go say enika with Jesus Christ. She dey call the two together. Which me not see anything bad for them. Una know say when you go meet juju man say you want do something, they still they call us salobua. They'll say na salobua make come back say you. So me I not see anything bad for them anyway. But they say many people they talk say she they put she they confuse our people. Now people where you want confused, now want confused. I know say someday where use their head say now now so it be. So my brothers and sisters, my own not more. I don't want me I put my own for you because if I can't put my own, it will come be another thing. This video where now watch now Princess Obanamen na do one. The one where Iyore still do where still take go river, I still put on for them. My brothers and sisters, more now watch her. Una leave una opinion. Wait to now think whether she do and well. Una know say Jesus Christ na river there for baptizing. So problem not there for that one. Anything wanna like, anything wanna just think. Wanna leave una opinion. Problem not there without no insult to anybody because everybody get the right to do wetin they want do wetin they want serve. Now they know some people they go they first they serve juju later go come and come they go church. Where some they go church later go come and come they serve juju. So my brothers and sisters, anybody wetin they like make them do. But for my own wetin make people they talk about Iyore now because of say she not go do wetin supposed to go do for that Benin. Because you use your mouth take go where you not supposed go. Once she don't go, People know they talk about time again. Now so me I see my own. Una bye bye. Mona help me share. Mona watch Princess Obanamen.
It's too much story. It's good for this life to stay real. Be yourself. Never use the name of God or ghost in vain. If someone could say there is no power in the sea, the ghosts don't exist. There is no power in the sea. Convince people in a wrong way to be throwing the ojuju inside the sea. At the end, that person will now went to the ocean. My own kingdom. Yeah. I am the goddess. Princess Obanamen, the queen mother. It rolled through my veins. You come to the kingdom to start crying, seeking for help. I don't say much. I don't even say. I have been waiting for these days to come. The gods have his way of doing things. I know when you get said, and about it, you know. You fight a war, and let that war you are fighting, fight it in a good way. And the gods will give you more power to continue. I have been waiting for these days to come. Going to the sea to seek for power. Coming to my own kingdom to seek for power. To seek for good thing. To seek for favor. Look, anybody at all that go on the wrong way, I always pray for them to open their eye to see. The power do exist. The ghosts exist. I am the queen. I am the goddess. The great queen mother. It runs through my veins. I don't talk too much. A time will come. The great kingdom, our Berlin land, we know who I really am. Yes. Yes. If somebody can say there is no power in the sea, the Ojuju don't have power, and you can go to the sea, start seeking for help. You coming to my own kingdom, the Obanamen kingdom, seeking for help. Oh, yes, you are fighting a war. Yes. Don't destroy. You fight and you know what you are fighting for. You know, the great our Benin kingdom, Edo is first. Our Benin land is very powerful. You understand? There are so many stories. Many stories. You go to Ring Road, somebody give you power, you dream, you come to save, you come to help, you come to this, you come to do, you build in a church in the Lagos, in a Paris, in anywhere, it's like this, it's like that. Nothing got wrong with that if you want to. Stay real. It's unforgettable. Since 2016, it's unforgettable. Hi, Princess Obanamen, the great queen mother. You wrote through my veins. Yes. On my kekanhin. Yeah. People don't believe there's half fish, there's half human. Half a baby with okay and me musewu wame. Eliano, I have been waiting for these days to come. I know it will come. I know it will come. Again. Never use the name of the ghost or any god in vain. Never. It's just the beginning. The whole world will know who I really am very soon. I don't talk too much. I don't brag. Because it's not good to destroy where you come from. Never. 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 If you say there is the sea don't have power, or Juju don't have power, at the end you are the one coming to my kingdom, my own kingdom, Obanamen. You coming to my kingdom asking for help. Asking for help. Asking for help. Asking for favor. I said, baby. Difference is clear. The gods do exist. It do exist for real. Oh, our great one, Obaewa Ogidi God II. the powerful king ever. Greetings to you. Greetings to you. Greetings to the kingdom. Entire kingdom. Anybody that lay that course or do what they do, if most of them have problem today, it's not by your blogging or anything. It's not by your blogging or anything. Ha! For generation I have been, so many generations. I've never seen what you did in any generation I have been. What have you become? I know many people are saying, yeah, it's something. No problem. I don't judge people. Yes, I don't judge people. But remember, the ghosts do exist. Yeah. It's good to be honest, to be sincere, to be kind, to be decent, to stay real. Never use the name of God or any ghost in vain. Oh, look at it. Oh, mwah, 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 mwah. I have been waiting for what you did. I have been waiting for it. You know, I talk in parable. Things that you are not seeing, it will come to pass. You can't see it. No, you can never see it. Difference is clear. Difference is clear. Difference is clear. Finally, I am the queen mother, the goddess of the sea, Princess Obanamen in the physical world. I have been waiting for what you did. I have been waiting for it. Coming to me direct. Coming to my own kingdom to seek for help. Coming to my own world to ask for solution. Now you do know half human, half fish. Now you do know there is power in the sea. Now you know the goddess do exist. Now you know you cannot joke with the queen of the sea. Again. Edoni Mose, Edoni Yayo, Edonogome. Many of you were Princess Obanamen. It took me, it took who, it told my, it wegel, it told mo boy, it told mo we talk about on record. The Nama Yahian, the Otanama Eta, the Nigu Nama Yare, Agbona, Akweke Naga Yense, Naga Weni se, Naga Weni Louvien, Eru Doma no do afie Beleku do Weni no Makeke, Umai no mani Weni ba. Iyagavena Rudes 2016 every Maya Lamon. I have no. But the whole world we see my manifest. Yeah, manifesting here. The whole world we see very soon. It's not by my power. Yes. Now you know half human, half fish do exist. Now you know there is power in the sea. Now you know the goddess do exist. Hi! I have been waiting for this moment to come. The eyes of men is the eyes of God. Your word says different stories. What have you not done? What have you not created? What are you not invent? Because of someone's happiness? Because you see the way someone was doing something in correlation? People do things for a reason. How it goes? How? It's not by my power. Why so don't do anything big? Who do any mose? Yes. Idano waya, idano boy, idano he, idano ka, idano loco. Azok wani jaja ya, idano waya. Wale mi okan igbe. Tamia. Tamia. Agadobon me weri na really to be a shame. Yeah. It's a promise. Unagi kogboko. We are already there. Coming to my kingdom to seek for help. Emi no ereze eriata, etin reze eriata, any half human, any half fishy, boy convince lot of people to be throwing that juju in the sea. At the end, you are the one running to the sea to seek for help. You are really fighting. Yes, so how fight you are fighting in a good way, in a good manner, in a decent way, in an honest way, not deceiving, confusing people. I know many people are not knowing, saying things that, is this person, is she really, What have you not up to? What have you not created? What have you? Finally, you come to my kingdom to seek for help. You come to my own kingdom to seek for help. It does not surprise me because I don't know. You don't see what I'm saying and you can never see it because too many trick and too many evil. If you know who you are, you can never throw a mouth or a stone to a glass. You can never do that. Our great kingdom, Obaewa Ogedigan, have done a great thing in this Benin kingdom. Those who worship the gods with a true mind, true spirit, they never lack. I don't want to talk too much. The whole world have seen. Where you say there is no power, the ghost does not exist. There is nothing in Ojuju, but you cry to come and meet me, the Queen Mother, seeking for help, coming to my war, my own kingdom, to seek for help. Yeah, mission accomplished. We are getting there. The whole world will know how great I really am very soon. Thank you for doing that. I can thank you for that. Oh wow, I never know man or woman me that they no here yeke. My beg okay. I talogbe idobore mason. I'll be waiting for it for what you just did. Great is to you all. When you can't read, I don't even say don't yayo. Wayala mogun itu waya itu me itu ho itu ma itu egele. Itu mo boy itu mo we talk pa no reko. Just the way I say all those fake pastors. Itai. You know when you confess, you confess, you say Obanamen, but the goddess is angry. So many fake pastors, the way they are doing, they are pretending they are real pastors. Many pastors are confessing, many pastors, the way they are behaving, the way they talk, the way they are doing things. You see what is happening. I don't want anybody to believe my word. Very soon, we all will see. Ariemele, ekori karagweme, eriona, arikpakpegbene, ena danu wayano rokeredian. Ewa laro, idobure mason ye. So you don't believe in half fish, half human? Huh? You don't believe there is something inside the ocean. Finally, you come to my kingdom to seek for help. Yeah, so I can see you are really fighting. Let me give you a kiss again. You rush through my vein. I try the things you have not seen, you have already opened the door. And I've seen all. We were not just there to go and seek for help. You come to my own kingdom to seek for help from me. I don't even say, oh, get my gear. No, my read them like banana dore. Bame de no nikina. Ozan, Okan, Ehui, Emiteme, Enenaga Karakwa.